So for look number one, almost alt eyeliner. It's kind of just like your regular eyeliner but brought up a couple notches. You will need the NYX Epic Ink liner. When I'm drawing out this liner shape, I like to follow the curve of the bottom of my eye, and as you're connecting it back, you'll notice that I have like quite a lot of creases here. So I just, with my eye open, draw over the creases. To make this look a little bit more alternative is to add on that little inner corner flick. Just makes it look nice and sharp and a little bit edgy. So I have this spiky lash right here, but what I like to do, my little trick with these, I take the lash and kind of chop it in half, and then I use this winged out part of the lash just on the outer corners. That is it for look number one, the almost alternative eyeliner.